Yes, Riyad, I'm fine dear. How are you? All of you are good? Okay, okay. So let's start. Fine. So today I will be taking your English grammar and I will revise everything that you have in your syllabus. I will revise all the chapters and all of you will try to give me the answer. I will not give you the answer at first. You will try to give me the answer. Okay? No one will open your book. No one will open your book. Just you can open your copy and write it down, or other else you just tell me the answers only through the chat box. Okay? So let's start. Yes. A scooter dash two wheels. Fill in the blank with has or have. Fill in the blank with has or have. A scooter dash two wheels. Yes. Suraya, Riyad, Parvez, good. Shidatri, correct. And the other ones, I want to know answers from all of you. Priyanshi, correct. Sharanya, Shanaya, Rishi, right. So, a scooter has, because the subject is in singular. I am giving you more. I dash two white balls. Fill in the blank with has or have. Yes, very good. Right, Riyad, Parvez, Shuraya, Shidatri, Shanaya, Priyanshi, good. Very good. So, I have. Have is, I always take have, we all know. And another more I am giving to you. These children dash new bags. Has or have? Has or have? Right. Very good. Right. All of you and the other ones, I want to know answers from all of you. Very good. So, children have. Correct. All of you, I have seen all of your answers. Very good. Very good. I can see. I have seen all of your answers. A cow dash four legs. A cow dash four legs. Right. Suraya, Priyanshi. Riyad, Shidatri, good. Okay, fine. Shovik, right. I can see. Okay. I have seen all of your answers. Very good. A cow has. Cow, that is singular. So, has. Okay. So, I am erasing the board. I will give some more works. Yes, Ritam, I have seen. I'm giving some more works from here.
Ma'am, I can't see you.
Fill in the blank with in, on, under, near. Kitty is sitting dash the rug. Fill in the blank with in, on, under, near. Kitty is sitting dash the rug. So, in, on, under, near. Yes. Rishi, Suraya, Parvez and the other ones I want to. Sharanya, no. Sharanya, this is the wrong answer. Okay, Riyadh. Good. So, it will be on. Kitty is sitting on the rug. Yes, Ridatri, good. And the other works. There is some milk dash the bowl. So it will. So its answer will be in, on, under, near. Yes, right. Shobik, no, wrong answer. In, on, under, near. That number 2. I'm talking about number 2. There is some milk. Yes, correct, all of you. In. There is some milk in the bowl. Okay, so I'm erasing the board now. Yes, I have seen all of you. In the park. Is it a sentence or not? Say yes or no. In the park. Say yes or no. Is it a sentence or not? Yes, right. Right. Another one, Suraya, Parvez, good. Shanaya. Okay. Yes. Correct. So this is not a sentence. It is not conveying. It is not, yes, it is not saying any meaning. Right. I'm giving you more. Is it a sentence now? Akram is fond of pizzas. Yes. Right. Akram is fond of pizzas. It is a sentence. Good. Yes, it is a sentence. It is conveying a complete meaning. So it is a sentence. Yes. Yes, correct. Okay. Place with the lampshade. Rearrange it. Rearrange. Place with the lampshade. Rearrange the and make it a proper sentence and then write it in the chat box. Rearrange the sentence. Place with the lampshade. Rearrange the sentence. Place with the lampshade. Yes. Parvez, she plays with the lamp. Isn't it? She plays with the lamp. She plays with the lamp. Right? Yes. She plays with the lamp. She plays with the lamp. Correct. Very good. Yes, I have seen all of you. She plays. Shuraya, she plays. It will be she plays. She plays with the lamb. Right. Other works I am giving. What flavor do you like? So, at the end of the sentence, which punctuation mark it will take? Full stop or question mark? We know full stop, question marks, these are called punctuation marks. So, full stop it will take full stop or question mark. So, tell me which punctuation mark it will take? Yes, Parvez, Sharanya, Shuraya, right? Riyad, good. So, it will take question mark because this is a question sentence. Very good, Shritama, right? All of you are correct. This will take a question mark. Okay? So I am erasing the board. I will give the next work. Okay, I am giving you. In this sentence, write it using capital letter. Which words will be in capital? In this sentence, write it using capital letter. Agra is on the banks of the river Yamuna. So, write it using, yes, only Agra. So, which words will be in capital? Write those. Which words will be in capital? Tell me, all of you. Which words will be in capital? Yes, Parvez, Rita, Muli, Agra. Yes, Agra and Yamuna, right? So, it will goes like this. Agra is on the banks of the river Yamuna. Yes. So, Agra and Yamuna will be in capital. Correct, Riyad. Good, Ritam. Okay. All of you are correct. So, Agra and Yamuna. Agra is the name of a place and Yamuna is the name of a river. So, that's why these two words will be in capital. Right? So, I am giving you some more works. I am erasing the board. I hope all of you, I am just from all the chapters, I am just practicing some of the things. I hope all of you are practicing all the exercises. You need to practice all the exercises, okay? So, in the number 1 fill in the blank, which word, which option will be HIR or HARE in number 1? And in number 2 you will write the answers using number 1 and number 2. In number 1 what will be? In number 2 what will be? Yes, in number 1 will be right here H-A-I-R, and in number 2 yes, very good, H-A-R-E here. In number 1 here H-A-I-R, and number 2 here H-A-R-E here. Okay, I'm giving you some more works. So can you tell me the rhyming word of fox? Rhyming word of fox. Rhyming word of fox. Yes. Other ones right. Good. Very good. It will be box. Right. Okay. Yes, I have seen all of you are giving correct answers. A bee's home. Can you tell me a bee's home? A bee's home is called what? Yes, Suraya, hive. Other ones? Right. I want to see answers from all of you. Good. Yeah, right. Okay. Okay. So, bee's home is hive. Correct. And one more I will give. A spider's home. A spider's home. Shidatri, just see, you have written a bit wrong spelling. It will be web. Right. Web. W-E-B. Web. Right, all of you. Okay. So today I have discussed some of the exercises from all the chapters of your syllabus. All of you practice all the exercises thoroughly. Okay. Now all of you give your present. No one will leave the class until I finish. All of you give your present now, and no one will leave. Okay. I have taken all of you present, and all of you practice all the chapters thoroughly. Okay. So today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you.